How to create GrubHub account. So the very first thing, you want to make sure that the application GrubHub is already installed on your device. If not, you can easily get it from your app store. Once it is installed on your device, open it. It will land you on this home page. Right here you can see it says sign in with your Amazon account, your Apple ID, Google account or your Facebook account. You can create your account from any of those ID. Let me open it from my Google account. So tap on Google. Tap on continue. Now select your specific account. Well, now it will ask you for the street address or the zip code. You can search for it and enter it. There you go, your GrubHub account has been created successfully. Tap on allow. Once again, click on allow. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create your GrubHub account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.